6 du'as that will make the rizq pour upon you. The first dua, Allahumma akthir mali wa waladi wa barik li fima a'taytani. The second dua, this is a dua between the two sajdas. Allahumma aghfirli warhamni wahdini wajburni wa'afini warzuqni warfa'ni. Third dua, you get instant answer bi'idhnillahi ta'ala. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlika wa rahmatika fa innahu la yamlikuha illa ant. The fourth dua, some people want a bigger house or they want a spacious room. اللهم اغفر لي ذنبي ووسع لي في داري وبارك لي في رزقي. The fifth dua is specifically after Salat al-Fajr. اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا ورزقا طيبا وعملا متقبلا. And finally, Allah Azza wa Jal told us in Surah Nuh, make a lot of istighfar, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. It will bring down money.